It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali 3-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, a programmable memory seat, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and the information tab. We also have trailer mode. By scrolling to the right, we are able to change our drive mode on the dash from normal to sport and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls, and the park brake. Removable carpeted floor mats on the floor. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Two-toned leather interior. Denali embroidery in both headrests. And a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we're going to take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons that can be found on the steering wheel. Up above is the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Next, we have GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. This is for the power retractable running boards, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. Below that is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Lastly, we have the engine push start button. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, power retractable running boards down below, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Dual exhaust with premium tips, and GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop the tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. In the rear, we have the removable carpeted floor mats. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage, accessible by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali 3-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.